Anger shows up in physical ways before the explosion happens itself in people with ADHD. And so if you're someone who has ADHD, think about it. Think about the ways in which it physically shows up in your body, because that will give you an indication, give you even a slight chance in being able to deal with your emotions and the way you're feeling before you let yourself explode. Because we all know we go from 0 to 100 quickly, so you can't really give yourself the advice a lot of people can, where you wait for the feeling to come and wait for it to rise and deal with it, because you go from fine to explosive. Just before that explosion, 9 times out of 10, you will feel some sort of physical feeling in your body. I get a clenching through my jaw. Figure out what yours is, and it might give you a chance to not kick off every time you feel a bit aggy.